Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to protect your PDF file with a password using the ILovePDF app. Just open the app and go to the tools, and here you can find this Protect PDF button. Tap on it and then select the file you would like to work with and type your password. Now it will be ZZ6 and ZZ6, and click on this red button. Now let's see the file. You can see that it's now protected, and we can only open it if we type the password accept. And yeah, that's basically it. I think if I write a different password it doesn't work, but we can share it and it will be protected then as well. I hope it will be useful for you, and have a nice day.